BC, Rome was reeling from a nightmare. From the north, massive Germanic tribes, the Cimbri and Teutones, had invaded. At the Battle of Arausio in 105 BC, Rome suffered one of the worst military defeats in its history. Over 80,000 soldiers and camp followers were slaughtered. The road to Rome seemed open. The Republic was in existential panic. Their savior would not come from the old aristocratic families. He was a novus homo, a new man. No consuls in his family line. His name was Gaius Marius. A hardened soldier from the town of Arpinum, he was brilliant, ambitious, and blunt to a fault. I cannot, for the sake of my own dignity, find eloquent phrases. I've spent my life in the camp, not in the library. As a military tribune and later a lieutenant in the war against Jugurtha in North Africa, Marius saw the Roman army's weaknesses firsthand. It was a militia of propertied citizens stretched thin by empire. He also saw his commander's slow, politically cautious approach. So, in a stunning act of ambition, Marius sailed home to run for consul against his own commander. The Senate's generals have led you to slaughter. Give me the command. I swear, with the gods' help, I will capture Jugurtha, alive or dead. The people, terrified of the northern threat, elected him. Not once, but he would be elected consul an unprecedented 7 times. His mandate was simple: save Rome. And to do that, he would rebuild the army from the ground up. This was the Marian Reforms. Gone was the property requirement. Now, any Roman citizen, even the poorest, could enlist. The state would equip him. In return, the soldier swore an oath not to Rome, but to his general, the man who promised him pay, loot, and, most importantly, a pension of land upon retirement. The army was no longer a citizen's duty, it was a career, and its loyalty shifted from the distant Senate to the general who delivered the rewards.